Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to update the Battlegrounds Mobile India and it shows unable to connect to server. Please try a different network or grant Wi-Fi access to the game in your settings. And in followed by they mention the one error code. So how to fix this issue? And here I get this error message in my Samsung Galaxy M30s Android mobile. At same time, this trick also works for all Android mobile devices, but if you have the operating system of Android 11. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So my point of view, this is 100% occurs due to the network problem. So if you use Wi-Fi network, first of all check your Wi-Fi router indicators if all the lights are glowing green color or not. So if maybe it shows any red color light problem with your fiber cable, so just check it. So at same time, if you use your mobile data network, just one time reset your all network settings. So once you done these processes and then open your settings menu. So here you can locate apps category and simply click to open it. So now it shows me all installed apps, but I try to locate that Battlegrounds Mobile India and click to open it. So here I try to access mobile data and then tick to enable this option, allow backgrounds data usage, and go back to the one step and one time click to force stop this application. But some YouTube video shows just clear the tab data and then this problem is solved. But my suggestion is if you clear the tab data, all your saved game data will be deleted. So after you delete it and one more time, if you try to open that Battlegrounds Mobile India in freshly, this app resource files starts to downloading from the beginning and this is waste of time. So don't do this clear data process. So anyway, once you force stop this application and one more time I try to connect my mobile into Wi-Fi network. Because I check it if this trick works or not. But friends, now this time you can see my Battlegrounds Mobile India is opening very smoothly and it starts to downloading the update files. So be patient. And also my character is ready to play. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box and thanks for watching.